Why does the person completely draining your soul actually believe they are the victim? It sounds crazy, but it's not. It's a documented psychological cycle, and you are caught right in the middle of it. Psychologists call the first stage idealization. It always starts with a carrot. They shower you with praise and make you feel like the center of their universe. You bond with them completely. But then the string gets pulled. Welcome to stage 2, devaluation. Suddenly, the rules change. Nothing you do is right anymore. You find yourself working harder, pulling heavier loads, chasing a carrot you will never reach again. Why do you keep pulling? It's a psychological trap called intermittent reinforcement. It's the exact same brain chemistry that makes gambling addictive. Without realizing it, you've been turned into their emotional pack mule. You do all the heavy lifting while they hold the reins. But let's look inside their head. Why do they do this? Because if they stop moving, they have to look in the mirror. Here is the ultimate psychological twist. Their toxicity isn't a display of power, it's panic. It is a primitive defense mechanism built to hide their core shame. They are terrified of their own flaws. Therefore, they use a tactic called projection. They subconsciously project all of their internal garbage onto you. They force you to carry their psychological baggage so they can pretend their hands are clean. And if you try to explain how much you're hurting, they use a tactic called DARVO, deny, attack, and reverse victim and offender. That is why they twist reality and play the victim. And when you finally collapse from emotional exhaustion, they won't help you up. They'll just blame you for being weak and go find another target. So how do you win a game where the rules change every time you play? You don't pull harder, you don't try to explain yourself, and you definitely don't try to heal them. You just drop the rope. Let them collapse under the crushing weight of their own reality. What was the exact moment you finally realized you were dealing with a toxic person? Tell me in the comments.